Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to set up Facebook dating and Instagram. Maybe you wanted to connect Facebook dating to your Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can set up Facebook dating and Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. Once you open it, you'll be directed into this Facebook homepage. And then from here, select this heart button. And now you are in the Facebook dating. In here, you will see the like you, friendship, matches, and then the profile. Tap on this profile and you have to scroll down and you'll see in here the Instagram. Set up dating and the Instagram. Tap on it. And then in here, simply tap on it. And then in here, as you can see, Facebook dating across app. Choose what you share to Facebook dating and how you use Instagram with dating. Simply toggle this button to turn it on. And as you can see in here, you have share post to dating. In here, you can turn this on, share Instagram post automatically, and you can also show Instagram followers. After that, simply tap on this done button. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can set up dating and the Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can set up Facebook dating and Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.